How to turn on or off comments from following. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you through on how you can allow or disallow or turn on or off comments from a following. So if you're wondering how you can do that, these are the processes you may follow up, and you should also be able to turn on or off your comments from your following list. So first of all, go ahead and launch your Rednote application onto your device and log in into your account. And after you're logged in, you can go ahead and tap on this Me tab at the bottom right corner of your screen, and you will be taken to the space right here. So in order to turn on or off the comments from your following, you can tap on this gear icon beside your profile. Just go ahead and tap on it, and under this section, you're going to go to the privacy settings right here, which is under notification settings, and you will be taken to the space. So here you can easily find this option of on and off of allowing comments from following, which is under show message streak. You can go ahead and enable this option of only allow comments from following if you want. Otherwise, you can turn it off if you don't want comments from your following, and that is it. So therefore, these are the processes you may follow up, which is super easy in order to allow comments from following. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.